Okay, so we're going to do a quick exercise here on how to enter different types of coordinates into a map on SarTopo. So first we're going to open the CalTopo app. And before we get too far, we want to make sure that we don't have another open map. Okay, so in the top left corner, you see that I have an unsaved map going. I'm just going to hit the 3-bar button in the top left and do clear map. Okay, so that way we are starting with something fresh. So first things first, top right corner of the screen, you'll notice that there's a box with 2 different types of coordinates in it. Okay, the top one is your primary format. So this is currently in decimal degrees, or it would just be degrees in SarTopo. And then the second one is in UTM. Okay, so when we go to enter coordinates, we're going to hit the plus sign at the top of the screen and add a marker. Okay. You'll notice that in the coordinate box of this icon here, it populates automatically with our primary format that's in that box in the top right. Okay, so that makes it really easy to put in. However, you can put in different coordinate types. So let's go ahead and do a demo here. I'm going to read out some coordinates, so prepare to copy. All right, continuing with coordinates, we'll do degrees, minutes, seconds. So it'll be 39 degrees, 44 minutes, 52 seconds by minus 105 degrees, 12 minutes, 39 seconds. Okay, so that is a different format than we currently have in this box. But let's go ahead and see if we can enter these. So I'm gonna place my cursor, and I'm just gonna delete that decimal, okay? So 39 degrees. If we just go to our numbers, push and hold on 0, that allows us to hit degrees. Okay, so 39 degrees, and then I'm going to intentionally mess this up to show you all where things can go wrong here. So 39 degrees, 44 minutes, 52 seconds by minus 105, and again, I'm just going to go to the end, backspace, hold that 0, go to degrees, 12 minutes, and 39 seconds. And I'm just going to label this as demo. Okay. So you'll see here that when I go to try to enter these, there's a parse error. All right. That means that there's something wrong with these coordinates. And I've done this too many times, so now I know what the issue is. When you enter these as degrees, minutes, and seconds, you cannot have spaces. Okay. So let's get rid of those spaces. Go off, and now it gives you the prompt. The coordinates are okay. All right, so that is entering degrees, minutes, and seconds. Click OK. That's going to plot them. You can go up into your folder icon in the top right, demo, and that'll take us there. Okay, so hopefully if you plotted these, we'll go there. So that's one way to do it. You can just put it straight into the marker box. However, I think it's a little bit easier to change my primary coordinate type to whatever our dispatchers give me, okay? So to do that, I'm gonna hit the triple bar icon in the top left, go down to display options under configuration, so display options, scroll down, and you can see that under the coordinates section, you have format primary, format secondary. So my format right now is degrees, and I can change this to degrees, minutes, and seconds. Okay, so this makes it really easy. So now my primary coordinate type is degrees, minutes, and seconds. I'll back out, and we can go back in, hit the plus icon again in the top right corner, and you'll notice also in the box in the top right that that primary format is now degrees, minutes, and seconds. Okay, so we hit the plus icon, add a marker, and now you can see that it generates degrees, minutes, and seconds. Okay, so to me, this is the easiest way to do it because I don't have to mess with like holding down the 0 to get the degrees icon in the field and deal with spaces and all that. I can just go in here and edit it to be whatever I need it to be. Okay, so I'm going to cancel out of this, go back up to the top left 3-bar menu, back to display options, and let's say dispatch gave it to us in degrees and decimal minutes, which SarTopo is degmin. Okay, so DEG min there. So just change my primary format to that, go back out, you'll notice in the top right box, my primary coordinate type is now degrees and decimal minutes, okay? And if I hit that plus icon again to add a marker, it generates that as well. So I think that this is the easiest way to do it for me, is just to remember to go in, change my primary coordinate type to whatever type I'm given. And then I can just enter it really quick and easy. So give that a try, and let me know if you're having any issues, and we'll move